The Jamaica College's robotics team is the first Jamaican team to participate in the South Florida First Lego League Regional Championship. And guess what? They came home with the Innovation Project Award. The students are here. Akai Hamilton, Jordan Thomas, Joshua Martin, Gordon Garrison, and Ashanafi Rowe. Did I get it right? Ashanafi or Ashanafi? Ashanafi Rowe. Oh, my sincerest apologies. But they're here to describe the process. First and foremost, congratulations, young men. You're doing the college very proud. I'm not a JC old boy, but I have a very strong connection and tie to the institution. And I'm always happy to see when you're doing well, and you have done well. Let me start with you, Akai. Just how did it feel to participate in this competition and then end up with the award that you won?
Well, it felt really good because we worked really hard and it was a lot of time enduring.
Let's hold it up a little more closer to your mouth.
Time enduring, and it felt really fun. It was a really fun project to do, and I guess the whole group can share the same result.
That's right. Jordan, let me get to you. What got you interested in robotics?
So I'd say what got me interested is that I've literally just JC came to my primary school and they taught robotics, and that's how I got interested from primary school coming up.
Now that you're participating actively, like in a competition and so on, do you see yourself pursuing a career in robotics or related to robotics?
I'd say yes, that I see myself going on, continuing robotics and leading the club probably. But that's for the future to know.
Good. Garrick, that's your surname, right? Garrison.
Yeah.
For you now, what would you say to your schoolmates and just generally to other young men about getting involved in robotics? What makes it exciting and interesting?
Being able to see your creation work and just function properly after all the triumphs and hardships that you went through is just a really good experience, and it's really it's a nice thing to see, you know.
Absolutely. Joshua, right. This is Jordan. All right, Joshua, you've got in your hand
the Best Recovery Award.
Best recovery?
Yeah.
All right, what's that award for?
Okay, so like, basically, we
If
got this award.
Hold it steady so our camera can pick it up. Yeah, but keep talking.
So we got this award because when we got to the airport, like the bags that were holding the robots, it wasn't sealed properly. So when we opened our luggages, it was completely shattered.
Oh no.
So like we had to rebuild the robot. What took weeks, we had to do it in like one day because the competition was like the next day. So we told them all about this experience and they saw it fit to give us this award.
Amazing stuff that you were able to kind of recover from that, because I can imagine how everybody on the head must mash up when they realize, oh my goodness, the bag and the item is not what, it's not the way you wanted it to be.
Yeah.
Who accompanied you?
So we had Garrison's father to accompany us and Mrs. Ormsby, which is our teacher, and also our coach.
Yeah, good.
They accompanied us.
Well, they're not here with us this morning. What words of advice, or thanks as well, do you have for all those persons who supported you, inclusive of your teachers? And what do you want to say to other teachers across the island to say, hey, get robotics into your schools?
Well, we just want to say, like, we really appreciated their support because they put a lot of effort into, like, getting us there. And for the other teachers, robotics is like, it's really inclusive, so it can help other students to like work better together. So it's really good.
Teamwork. And that's the award, the Innovation Project Award. Young Ro, just share with us a little bit about what that award means.
Well, this award is for our invention of algae going on the boat hull, and we were trying to make an idea that it cleans off with the boat hull without affecting the environment.
All right, good stuff. So it's a pretty green project. Yes. And is that the robot right there on the floor?
Yes, it is.
Is it working now?
Well, we're missing we're missing the missions right now.
It can,
Yes, it can
it
move.
move around now?
Yes, it can.
Yeah, man, make it move, man. When you see this robot in action, this is good stuff made from Legos, right?
Yes.
Yeah, which
Entirely from Legos.
entirely.
Except the cables.
Okay, well, of course, right? Yeah, minus the cables, which is great because every you would love Legos, you know, right?
It seems that the battery.
Oh, the battery is down. Ah, man, I was really, really looking forward to it. But is this your first competition?
Yes, it is.
You looking forward to the next one?
Yes.
And what's that one going to be?
So that would be FTC, which is First Tech Challenge, which deals with more engineering machinery.
Yeah.
So it's mainstream metal nuts and bolts. So we're always at work with it. So right now we're building a bot carrier. So we have 2 of our bots, and it carries those. What we're working on now is carrying those. So what we call it the Leviathan, because it's really big.
Yeah.
So it's very structural, and we have to like make sure it can be bashed around and everything because of the weight and such like such.
When is that competition going to be?
For us using that, it might be for Worlds when the next team goes. So we might be using it for that. But for our
Which is
team,
when? It's 2025 or next year?
This year.
Okay.
I'm not sure when, but it will be this year. For us competing would be probably next year for the next season. So.
All right. For this particular robot that's here this morning, what's the name of this one? Does it have a name? No?
Not
All right,
really.
no problem. What would it have done if the batteries were working this morning? What would it have done for us?
Well, so it would be moving around, collecting things and moving.
So it's like a Roomba, kind of?
Kind of.
Okay, all right, good. So we could put items on the floor and then it would just go to them and...
If it was in the selected place where it'd have everything else, it would do that, respectively.
All right, awesome. Garrison wants to say something else?
Yeah, it would. It's just that there's a very specific placement for it, so that since it's pre-coded, you have to place it in a certain way, and it will be able to collect certain things, and it's engineered to do certain tasks around to collect points, and you know.
Good stuff. How big is the robotics team group at school?
It's not huge. Our room is just like, think of like an attic kind of area, but we've converted it to a proper robotics
So
lab.
could you use some more space?
Yes, we could. Definitely.
And you could use some more items and equipment?
Yes, we definitely
Do you have a budget? You know how much?
I don't know how much.
No?
The school has been supporting us, so we have to be thankful for that.
Come here. Give me that camera here. Remember, I appeal to all the Jamaica College old boys out there. Look here. There is work burning in the field. Yeah? And these are the young men who are in the field. So, the Jamaica College robotics team needs greater support to get a bigger room, to get more equipment, and to participate in more competitions. So, do what you can. JC old boys, dip into those pockets and support a wonderful initiative from your school. A school so great, they had to name the country after it. Anyhow, thank you so much for being with us this morning, gentlemen. Akai Hamilton, Jordan Thomas, Joshua Martin, Gordon Garrison, and Ashanafai Rowe, and they make up the Jamaica College robotics team. Thanks again and congratulations. After the break, we'll talk with the man that has been our musical entertainment all morning, Chris Malachi. So don't move, we've got more smile.